Did y'all know Dubai was a desert?
Really?
I don't know. I mean, I knew. I was just making sure that y'all knew. That's all. That's it. You don't have to yell at me. All right, we get it. Well, Dubai is getting flooded right now, and they're saying it's because of cloud seeding. Pretty much, Dubai is causing this rain on their own. Let's tune into the video, man. 18 people dead in Dubai.
Years worth of rain caused major flash flooding in Dubai. Roads turned into rivers and water rushed into homes and businesses. Nearly 4 inches of rain fell in just 12 hours yesterday. That's around what Dubai measures in an entire year. That's according to United Nations data. Rain fell so fast that people were forced to abandon their cars. Dubai International Airport, which is the second busiest in the world, stopped operations for a while as the tarmac was underwater.
Jeff Hogan in the WR Live Center got some brand new video. We've been telling you about this rainfall in the United Arab Emirates and in Dubai. Record-breaking rainfall and flooding. This is a view from the Dubai airport. This rain has shut down schools. It has shut down roads, grounded flights. The second largest airport in the world looks like a river. This is the tarmac out the plane window. Look at this view here.
Y'all see that? I've never seen anything like that. It looked like the planes are in the ocean. It looks like the planes are in the ocean. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is the type of rain you try to get on Noah's Ark and say, "All right, peace, I'm gone." This that type of rain. This that type of flooding. Man, and shout outs to God coming back, man. Y'all ever heard of a desert getting flooded for real though? Have y'all ever heard of a desert getting flooded? I rest my case, man. Let's finish
here.
this.
Country got 10 inches of rain in 24 hours. That is an entire year's worth. It's creating dangerous conditions all across that region. People are being told don't travel unless it's absolutely necessary. In nearby Oman, there are 18 people who have been killed because of this severe weather. The National Center of Meteorology in Abu Dhabi says this rain event surpasses anything that they have seen since they began keeping records in 1949. Amazing view right there. Lots of rain.
Y'all heard that? This is the biggest rain they have seen since 1989. I've never heard of a desert getting flooded until Dubai. And they're saying it's because of cloud seeding, which is they're pretty much planting artificial rain / clouds into their clouds. Let's tune into the video, man. Here's a second video of what's going on in Dubai.
The land of sand has become a world of water. At Dubai airport, planes ploughed through floods as intense thunderstorms brought the most extreme rainfall on record, and there were reports of several deaths.
So this is not a time lapse, this is real. I've never seen this much lightning in my life before. This is crazy.
One region just south of the city had 25 centimeters of rain in just one day. The average in Dubai is less than 10 centimeters over an entire year. Water cascaded through luxury malls, flowed through metro stations, and submerged streets.
Look at the poor cat. Look at the poor cat. Cat almost lost his life. Oh man. But seriously, y'all, this is what's going on out here in these streets, man. This is what's going on. It's Dubai. It's Dubai. It's Dubai. This is supposed to be a hot place. This is supposed to be somewhere with a lot of heat, and you're supposed to see a lot of sand. Instead, you seeing a beach in the malls. You seeing a beach on the streets. You seeing cars being submerged in water. This is crazy. What's happening in Dubai? Is the world coming to an end, y'all?
One cat had a lucky escape.
Okay, let's go.
So much rain in such a dry country has led to speculation that it was caused by cloud seeding. The United Arab Emirates regularly sends planes into clouds to scatter tiny particles in the hope that they will draw together moisture and form raindrops. But not this time, said the authorities, and a British scientist says it was a natural weather event turbocharged by climate change.
It was a well-predicted storm. People knew there would be severe rain. Most severe rainfall events occur because weather systems get stuck. And indeed, this was a strongly developing but also slowly moving system. And it sort of all accumulates then. And we were unlucky that it accumulates over heavily populated areas in this case.
Oman too was badly hit by the storm, with people plucked from the torrents. The region normally receives so little rain that drains aren't built for so much water, and there is more wet weather to come. Thomas.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. Shout outs to Dubai. Wow. Hopefully they get it together over there. I know it'd be a little hot, and they be trying to make some artificial rain, but whatever they doing up in them skies, y'all might want to cut it out. Y'all might want to cut it out. Y'all might want to research something else, unless y'all want to see another flooding like this. I don't know if it's because of this cloud seeding stuff. They're saying it's not, but y'all are trying to make artificial rain, and I don't think y'all know exactly what y'all doing. But hey, I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Let me know how you guys feel about that down in the comments below, man. I appreciate y'all viewership. It's been a great show. I had one more video that I wanted to do, but honestly, I'm gonna